Class 4 Social Studies Lesson number 13 Our Communication System. First of all, what is the meaning of communication? The word communication means to exchange of ideas and thoughts. When we exchange our ideas with thoughts, our thoughts with others, we are communicating our ideas to others. That is called communication. And nowadays we are living in a high tech world where the technology has upgraded to such an extent that I am communicating with you through online classes, right? Something that was never even thought of. School running not inside a building but on technology. Okay, so this is also a communicating system where I am talking to you, I am teaching you on through virtual classes, through online classes. So let's focus on the chapter. Communication refers to the exchange of ideas and thoughts. Underline this line, everybody, and circle the word communication. Through communication, people express their feelings. There are various ways to communicate with each other. So, when we are communicating, what we are doing, we are expressing our feelings. I am communicating this, my thoughts, my knowledge about this chapter with you, right? So, people communicate by different means. Long back, uh, things were being communicated through letters, and the letters were pigeons were the carriers of the letters. Okay, in olden times, kings and all those people who had to send the messages, they used to send the messages through pigeons or horse riders. But nowadays we cannot even thought of such ideas. With the advancement in technology, the communication system has also changed. So underline, children, people communicate by writing letters, speaking on telephone, through newspapers and magazines. Generally nowadays we don't write much of letters. So what is there? We give SMS. Okay. We share our ideas on the multimedia sites. Now communication is not only restricted to an individual. We can communicate with people living in our country and with people in other countries. So now reaching to a person and sharing your ideas is possible within seconds. This is possible only when a good communication system is available to us. So we are sitting in Delhi, but we can, if we'll open the news channel, we can know about so many things happening in the world. So you can see these are different ways of communicating. Do you know what is a good communication system? A good communication system is one that unites people and creates awareness. For example, television, radio. Every house has a radio, every house has a television. So, through television, we can get connected. What is happening in other states, we can come to know. It has various means and modes of communication in the form of print, audio, video. Now, these are different platforms of communication: audio, print, video. When I say print, I talk about newspapers. When I talk about audio, I'm talking about radio. And when I'm talking about audio, video, I'm talking about television. So, communication can be personal or mass. Like, I am giving classes now at this moment, so I am communicating to a group of students of a particular class. So, this is like mass communication. But if I'm talking to someone, I mean one person at a time, it will be personal.